Hello guys, welcome to my channel. A teenager 14 forced to marry 15-year-old Nigerian girl after impregnating her. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Please do hit the red subscribe button down there and also click the bell sign. That way you will be the first to get notification each time I upload a new video and you can come and check it out. To my returning subscribers, thank you all so much and God bless you all. So in today's video, as you guys can see, these two teenagers, the boy is said to be 14 and the girl is 15. So what happened? So guys, before I continue this story, this is where I got this news from legit, okay? So that it doesn't look as if I'm saying things off head, okay? So let's continue guys. A video of the marriage ceremony, which has since become viral on the internet, captured the moment the 14-year-old boy and his alleged bride, a 15-year-old girl, were both filmed on camera as they were about to join in matrimony. According to the reports making the round online, the boy was forced to marry the teenager girl, who is a year older than him, after he got a little crazy and impregnated her. In the video, the young bride could be spotted with a pronouncing belly, which could only mean that she had been pregnant for months. Okay, so now let's say the father of the bride, who was also present in the ceremony, advised his daughter to be careful as he hand her over to her teenage groom, emphasizing that she was no longer in her parents' house. Guys, the reason why I'm laughing is just that these two couples, let me call them couples because now they are fully married. These two couples, they are still very young to get married, okay? Don't quote me wrong. This is my own opinion. Each and every one of us have our own opinion, okay? I think the two of them are still very young because I know what they did is a mistake to both of them. I don't know, it's a mistake. But I don't think the both parents should have allowed this to happen because they are still very young. What do they know about marriage? They know nothing about marriage, okay? What I thought the both parents would have done is to take care of the young lady. Maybe by the time that she have come of age, then the two of them can now marry, okay? But at this stage, I don't think it's or another option is for them to take this lady in, leave her to deliver in their house, then after that they will know the next thing to do. Because at this stage, I'm not sure the both of them are done with their studies. No, look at the two of them, they're still very young. What are they going to be doing? How are they going to be feeding themselves? Is it the both parents that will feed them or what? So at this point, this guy needs to go out there, look for something doing as a man he is now. Because since he can impregnate a woman, he's not a man. Oh my goodness. So he needs to look for something doing. Another reason why I said it's not good for them to marry at this age is because maybe later in future now you will see that this girl will start complaining that she doesn't have feelings for this boy, or the boy doesn't have feeling for her again. You see, that's one problem will come. So it's good for you to leave the both of them to get matured very well, to know what marriage is all about before they can be able to get married, okay? I know they have done the mistake, yes, but with this now, what is it teaching the world? What other people that are watching it now, what would they be thinking? So it's not good. This kind of a thing is something you advise your. That is why we, the parents out there, we need to watch our children very closely. Monitor the kind of things they do, okay? We need to watch them very carefully. Now, I'm not sure that they know that this thing will result like this. So, and this marriage, they are laughing. They don't know what marriage is all about. So, marriage is not all about husband and wife staying together. No. There are a lot of things that come with marriage, okay? It's not all about being husband and wife. It's not all about it. There are a lot of things that come with it. Maybe by the time the two of them start staying together now, you will see this this is my first time of seeing two teenagers like this getting married. I've never seen this kind of a thing before. I don't know if you guys have seen. Please, if you have seen, leave it in the comment section below. And I really want to know what you guys think. Do you think the decision the both parents took is the right decision or what? Because sometimes I keep wondering, if there is no elders in the village, at least they should have talked to them, for them to know that what they are doing now is not good, because they still need more, as in they still need more time to know what marriage is all about. See the way the mother is even was it not last 2 months that Regina marriage was trending all over the social media about she getting married to old man, and we are all talking about it, that it's wrong for her to get married to an old man like that. Now this one is no longer old people, two teenagers, 14 and 15. It's not yet time for them to get, they are still very young to know what marriage is all about. I don't know, honestly. I really don't know, but I just hope, since the both parents accepted it, who are we to come and tell them what to do? So it's now their decision. They should just, so they know what to do. Or another thing I'm thinking is, maybe the boy's parents or the girl's parents want their child to get married at this stage, because I've seen someone like that. Yeah, their daughter is, I think, 15. They wanted her to get married because they don't have any other child except her. So they wanted her to get married and bear children for them. But this one is not that she married outside. They brought a man who got married to her in their family. So she started making babies for them. So those children now, they are bearing their father's, as in her father's name. So I think it's the both parents' decision, but who are we to question them? It's their life, and I pray that God will help them in this their union. Okay, so why am I? So I know some people will say, why is she really talking about marriage, this and that? Please don't misunderstand me as if I'm saying that marriage is very difficult. No. Because the two of them are just doing friendship before they got themselves into this mess. Maybe by this time they start living with each other now, you will see they will begin to find fault. Because I've seen someone like that. This one is just like, so this lady that I'm telling you now, she got married to her husband. So she was staying in a different state, while her husband was staying in a different state, you see, because of their work. So finally they now transferred the lady where her husband, the state where her husband is. So the two of them, they were now living like husband and wife. When you wake up every day, you see your wife, you go and come back, you see your wife. They were living together as husband and wife. Unlike before, that the man will go and visit her, stay 1 week and come back because of his work, you see. So when they were now living together, problems started coming all over. So problems started here and there. It's either the woman is complaining that the man is no longer who he used to know, or the man will say she has really changed, she doesn't do this, she doesn't do that. Why is all this problem coming? It's because the both of them, they've not really stayed together to know themselves, to know if they are fit for marriage or not. So that's why I'm still saying this, that the two of them are still very young to get married. Okay, so I just pray that God will help them in their marriage. So that will be the end of this video today, guys. If you love this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you still have anything to contribute about this issue, please do leave it in the comment section below. We all are still learning, Abi. Okay, so if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, help your girl, stay with us so that we can build this channel together. YouTube these days not be my case. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.